Welcome to B1 Lesson 9. We're going to learn can, could, be able to. We're going to learn how to talk about ability and possibility. Where can I use can? Where can I use could? Where can I use be able to? Start with can or can as ability, depends to the accent you're using. When we talk about ability, we can use can. Can is used to talk about the present ability, the things which, the ability you have now, the ability you have at this time, at the moment. You take subject plus can plus V1. That's the structure. Subject plus can plus V1. I can swim. She can drive. They can speak English very well. For the negative, you say, I cannot swim. She can't drive. That's the present ability of a person or the present inability of a person. Let's go to can as possibility. We have seen can as ability. Let's see can as a possibility. When we say can as a possibility, it's used to talk about the general possibility. Something being possible, but generally, in general. It can be very hot in this city. Accidents can happen easily. This road can be dangerous at night. It can be very hot in the city. Means like that's generally possible. Accidents can happen easily. It's also generally possible. This road can be dangerous at night. That's also possible in general. Let's say could. We have seen can as a present ability. We have seen can as a general possibility. Now let's see could. We use could as ability in the past. The ability in the past is used for general past ability. Can is general present ability, the present ability. Could is general past ability. We use subject plus could plus V1. When I was young, I could run fast. So it is general thing. It is not specific. We don't know how long or how far the boy could run or the girl could run. She could read at the age of 4. We are not being specific. Like it is to read can be a letters alphabet, to read alphabets or to read numbers, or we are not specific on what kind of reading the person could do at that moment. They could speak French in school. It is not specific. For specific past situation, when it is specific, when it is not a general ability or general when it is general ability, in that case we usually used was able to. Like I can say when I was young, I was able to run 5 kilometers. Yeah, like that. Let's see the thing. We have seen now that we can use can as ability, we can use can as a possibility, we can use could as a past ability, and now we're going to see could as a possibility. It shows less certain than can. When you say can in possibility, means it is higher than could. Could is a less certainty. You are not so sure, but when you use can, you are a little bit sure. Could shows less certainty than can. It could rain later. This could be a problem. The answer could be correct. It could rain later. This could be a problem. The answer could be correct. Let's see now be able to. We have seen that we can use can as a present ability. We can use can as a general possibility. We can use could as a past ability. We could also use could as less certainty for when we talk about the possibility, but when we are less certain. Now let's see be able to. Be able to means the ability to do something. It's like we have the ability. We have the ability to do something. It is usually used when can is not possible. When it is not possible to use can, that is when we use be able to. Remember we said that we use could as a past ability, but when we go into the past ability which is specific, we have to use was able to. That is be able to being used for past. Let's see the forms and examples. In the present, I am able to understand the lesson. That's the be subject. Be changes to am, then able to, then you put V1. For the past specific situation, I was able to finish the exam on time. You have used the was for the be, which simply means that the structure is subject plus am or is or are or was or were plus able to plus V1. That's for the present and past. For the future, it is subject plus will be able to plus V1. For the perfect, subject plus has or have been able to plus V1. I am able to understand the lesson. I was able to finish the exam on time. She will be able to join us tomorrow. He has been able to solve the problem. Let's see comparison between the three words. Can, could, be able to. Can is for the present ability or general possibility. I can swim, I can sing, I can go, I can walk, I can talk, I can teach, I can learn. But when we go into could is the past ability or a weaker possibility. When we are less certain, I could run fast. It could rain. When we say be able to, it is ability in any tense, all the tenses, present, past, the future, and even any tense. I was able to pass. I will be able to see you tomorrow. Let's see the exercise, fill in the blanks. I dash dash speak English well now. When I was a child, I dash dash ran very fast. She wasn't dash dash finished the exam on time. It dash dash rain this afternoon. He will dash dash start work next week. You're going to choose between using can, could, be able to as the right use. You're going to fill in the blanks here. We dash dash understand the instruction clearly. When I was young, I dash dash not swim. She has been dash dash solve the problem alone. This road dash dash be dangerous at night. They were dash dash find the address easily. You're going to correct the mistakes here. I can to drive very well. She could read at age 5. He was able finish the task early. I could able to speak French before. They can finish the work yesterday. She will can join us later. You're going to correct the sentence and write the best answer for the above given sentences. Here you're going to choose the correct answer. When I was young, I dash dash ran very fast. Choose between can and could. She wasn't dash dash finished the exam. Able to can. It dash dash is not right. Can is able to. Let's do the quiz. You're going to write can, could, or be able to based on the right thing to be put. I dash dash use a computer easily. When I was a child, I dash dash climbed trees. She was dash dash fix the problem alone. It dash dash be very cold in winter. He will dash dash travel next month. You're going to base on that and then you put the right answer there. So I hope that you won't have any complication about that.